Cheater, it's my turn. No, I'm the I'm the captain.
What
No.
You better get to scrubbing. What's up guys, ALBERTOBIGBOOST here and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be working on the SkyLIME R32 that Adam bought about 4 or 5 days ago.
A week now maybe?
And we already took apart the engine and now the engine is getting taken care of, which he spoke on the video yesterday. Today we're gonna be working on the engine bay, which we're gonna clear everything out of the way so I can get ready for paint. So I'm gonna show you the steps that you gotta take to get your engine bay painted professionally and get the best results. Let's get to it. But before that, we're missing stuff that I gotta go get at the warehouse with Shulman. So we're gonna go over there, get that stuff and be right back so we can get started. Now we're gonna be taking not that car, but we're gonna take Shulman's WRX. All right, we're back from the store. We got a few goodies. One of them, very important, we got gloves because we didn't have any gloves. And the oil that's on this car smells really bad. Horrible. And I hate getting it on my hands. I told Shulman we're not gonna get that on our hands today, so we got some gloves. I got these, which I won't be using, but they look cool anyways. So now we gotta get started with this. This is what the engine bay is looking like so far, and it looks absolutely hideous. This is gotta change now, so that's why we're here today, right? We gotta take all this stuff apart and then clean it up and then scrub it and get it ready for paint. Alright, we're removing the compressor, put this away. There you go. Wait, here. Bolts. Put this bolts back in place. Alright, we got those out of the way. Now we're gonna have to start removing all these lines out of this stuff somehow. This line goes here. I ended up like removing almost everything from this side. I'm taking the whole harness out. I already took the AC condenser out of here, and now we are taking the fuse box out of the way. But for that, I'm gonna have to remove the driver's side fender in this case, so I can take all the wiring out through the fender and get this whole part over here clear off, because I don't want the fuse box to get oversprayed on. Alright, auto check-in over here. Look how this thing is coming along now. It's almost fully stripped. Got the whole harness out through the fender. Put the fender back in. I got everything else stripped out down here. The last things that I gotta do now is to remove the brake booster, master cylinder, put it all the way. And the clutch master cylinder, also remove it and then put it away so the whole firewall can be painted as well. I got all the bolts and I got the slider pin removed from the brake booster and the clutch master slave cylinder. I'm gonna go ahead and take this out of the way. I should I just remove the whole hard line with it, right?
Yeah.
And this should pretty much like this. Now this thing is fully stripped down and ready to start cleaning. Before we start cleaning, obviously we need to remove the car from the lift, put it on the ground, push it back, and first thing we're gonna do is pressure wash it with some degreaser. You ready, Matt?
Oh yeah.
I almost forgot. We're going to be using a different route on the engine with the intercooler piping. So that's one mod that I need to do on this car before we start cleaning. Here is where the factory battery goes. So the battery pretty much sits right here. And I need to remove this plate because the stock intercooler piping goes through this hole. But now I'm gonna route it through up here. So I need to remove this plate and then make a giant 4-inch hole over here. For this job, we're gonna be using this little tiny hole saw, which is a spot weld remover tool. So what it does, it just cuts all the way around the spot weld without necessarily making a hole in the car, like this. You find a spot weld, like this one right here. They're gonna put this right in the center and drill. Oh, wait. There you go, full, clean, easy to remove. That hole looks much better as one than two small ones. The car is outside, out of the driveway, so it doesn't like stain the whole thing. And we're gonna get ready to clean this thing. All right, Shulman's now gonna get the berry treatment. Having like little problems there.
A little bit. I think leaking the hose.
Shulman, that brush is not gonna work.
No, it's not.
We need to use some of these.
Yes, sir.
This is what I'm talking about.
Oh yeah.
How to properly polish your paint, right?
No. I mean, essentially, yeah.
Let's see which side comes out better. I'm gonna do the passenger side and Shulman's gonna do the driver's side. Alright guys, looks like we're finally done. Now let's see the end result. Which side do you guys think came out better?
Wait a second. Now I know what you just did.
What? No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Wait.
Look at Shulman's side.
That's not fair. Hey, guys,
look at all this.
No. He sprayed this.
I don't know what you're talking about.
He sprayed this. Oh, and wiped that whole entire side. I didn't even know what he was doing.
Oh, you didn't finish your side. That's what you're trying to say.
I remember doing this thing.
What is that?
Pre-painting prep.
Let me see the label. So after cleaning, I ended up using some Eastwood pre-paint prep to clean the surface.
Cheater.
So it looks like this and not like...
Cheater. It's my turn. No. I'm the captain.
What
No.
You better get to scrubbing. Now I'm going to step the hole saw game from this little hole saw to this size hole saw. I had a bit of a problem with this thing because it doesn't fit. The shank is too big for the drill. I won't be able to do that today. I'm gonna have to pick up my tool tomorrow. In the meantime, we're putting Nicole's car up in the lift because I'm gonna work on that tomorrow. And the SkyLIME is gonna go underneath for now, and then I'm gonna come in the morning, get my right drill bit thingy for the hole saw and make that hole before it gets the next thing done to it. I got one last task to do before I leave for the day, which is gonna be to mask everything that I don't want to get painted or oversprayed on the engine bay. So let's turn this white and black thing into white and what other than a color, lime. Yes, I should definitely wrap Adam's car with this lime tape so it looks lime color, because he keeps making fun of my car being Wildberry Boost, so he's gonna be wild lime thingy or SkyLIME. Here's what the car looks like now with all the things that I don't want overspray to get on, masked with green tape. I even cover all these bolts and stuff so it looks pretty decent once it's all painted. I did not cover the stock fuel lines because I don't think we're gonna use those anymore, so those are gonna be removed afterwards, so I didn't even bother wrapping those up. Haha, I got you, Adam. So now your car is lime, or it's going to be lime. Did you tell the guys that you're gonna paint the engine bay lime color because your car is a lime now? I bet Adam didn't tell you guys that little secret. Stay tuned. No, I was gonna try to leave before it started to rain, but I can hear the rain already, so I guess it's gonna be time to get out of here. On tomorrow's video, I want to talk to you guys about my experience and what do I think about the RB25 engine, especially the one that came out of the SkyLIME. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. So please smash that like button and subscribe for more awesome content. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, great. Now I have to get wet to be able to go home. Racer problems. A small little problem about removing AC on your drift car, and this is gonna suck. I have to drive home in that thing. Oh well.